Good morning, good evening, g'day, thank you for listening. This is a show focusing on plant science, soil science and microbiology, involving itself in gardening, horticulture and agriculture. And the information provided is for scientific and educational purposes, and it's fact-checked. Any of the websites or papers will be discussed will be put in the description below. If you're watching this back, I don't know the title yet. So fast forward until you see the screen change. If there's going to be a show, because I don't know what it's, I got to wait for the cool folk to arrive in chat and see if there's any suggestion that we can have some sort of a show. Then I'll rechange the title. So I'll give it 60, 70 seconds for people to arrive. And I can start my ramble. Goes fast too. It's already only 60 left now. 50 seconds. I'll just check the audio. It's working this week. I made an error last week. 25 seconds to go. $15 seconds till I start. Still don't know what I'm going to talk about today. Hopefully someone in chat will drop something cool. Righto, 2 minutes. I got to start. So plant science, soil science and microbiology related topics. Focusing on organics more so, because organics is the future. Even though a lot of people don't suggest that, because you've got to buy their products, but it's about the earth, sustainability. Well, I don't have nothing really to talk about today. Please, if you think of you got anything to do with plant science, soil science or microbiology, put it into the chat and we can discuss something on it. And I've got stacks of university slides. I can shed some light on the topic. I can look at any suggestions that you got for me to look at online, maybe. A few people have done that in the past. That's been pretty good. Like to review a product or give my opinion on it. That's been enjoyable. There's a lot of new things coming out these days. New stuff in agriculture, like nanotechnology in agriculture. That's very good. So yeah, what can I talk about then? My studies are going all right. If you'd like to know, most of my marks are very good in the 5 subjects I've got. Environmental science, industrial biotechnology, cell signaling, environmental food and dairy, microbiology, and a very cool one, the science of happiness and well-being. And that's very unique, that one. The science of, I've been wanting to do it for years. It's very positive, just gives you different techniques, coping skills, all that sort of stuff. Hey, there's 420 Fred. Hello, 420 Fred. If you got anything to suggest, 420 Fred, that might start the show, that would be good. Otherwise, it's going to be a short show. Is anything plant science, soil science, or microbiology related would be good. Yeah, because I don't know what else to talk about really. I'm nearing the end of my studies, so I can put some more effort in soon to the shows. What's that, in week 9 of week 12? Then I have to study for exams, but they're not till the end of October, start of November. So I've got a duration for that. This is going to be a boring show if you're listening back. Sorry. I'm trying. I'm not good at repeating myself, so I don't like rambling, and it's hard for me to make new suggestions and topics. or things to look at. And last week's was a good show. So if we have a short show this week, oh well. And the time, it started 10 minutes earlier than last week too. It seems like this month is going to be starting at this time frame. So I'm not sure if that really suits everybody. But that's what's programmed in. And I like constructive criticism. So if you think, oh, I'll start it later or do this or something like that, I'll take your feedback on board. Because I'm here for really the viewers, because I've got some good education and experience. So I just like to share that with some discussion. It's quite fascinating, the different topics that come up, and chat ends up teaching me stuff and I teach them, and it's really goes, it's a good little circle when we all bounce off each other. When there's more than one viewer watching. Thanks for the one viewer. That's what it says on my end at the moment. 6 minutes. 4:20 Fred says, like, share and comment. Yes. Yes, preferably the last bit, the comment. So I'd like to have a show. If I keep going on with shows that are like this, no one's going to watch. It'll just be a waste of time. That's not what I want. So that's why I have the short show, so I don't ramble. And if people see the 10 minutes up, they can see, oh, well, it's a short show, and sort of not waste their time in watching it. And that's 10 minutes is up in 3 minutes. Not long, uh-oh. But that tells me that everyone's happy and satisfied, which kind of makes me happy too. Because I'll be doing these streams for years, because I'm going to be studying for years. And I'm sure you'll all want to follow my garlic progress, my organic garlic, because it's going amazing, as well as my vegetable garden and my plant hybridization. My broccoli cross with Brussels sprout plant. Brussels brocks, no. Brock sprouts, yes. It's going pretty good too. 2.5 minutes to go. Fred says hello. Yeah. What's that? What's it? Oh, I saw that. Oh, okay. We're probably talking about the Brussels brocks seeds that came out of a Brussels sprouts plant that got cross-pollinated with by broccoli, and it produced those amazing offspring. It's weird, but it happened. Pretty cool. A dominant broccoli on a Brussels sprout female. Something unique. I've got a few thousand seeds too. I'm storing them well, so they'll last for years. So when I get some money, I can afford to put some postage in, and we can do seed giveaways again. I've never done that on this stream, so it'd be nice to do. Plant hybridization. Well, it's got 60 seconds left. Put in your comments if you want, because the stream's going to end in 60 seconds. And the bonus in that too is everybody that was going to show up today, they can hold their thoughts till next week. So it makes for a more exciting show. So there's a few reasons why I don't mind it ending early. So it means people are satisfied and they can hold all their stuff. So a full-on episode. All these different screen shares and fascinating topics brought up, because science is forever changing. And the new techniques that have been discovered and promoted, it's pretty rad. That's why I love it. All my techniques will change in the future too, probably because of science. They have a new way of assimilating nitrogen, or a new way of something that's really handy, producing phytohormones in the plants. Well, I'm kind of doing that already with my microbes. And that's the stuff that's given me, remember, I don't know if you saw the world's biggest carrot, or Googled it. I'm up with the world's biggest carrot at the moment. I'm going to let a few of them grow. They might be real deep, but they're very, very massive, the size of your arms. So stuff like that, good fun. We can all do ourselves, which is inexpensive. Well, it was 10 minutes. I appreciate everybody for listening. Thank you, 420 Fred, for tuning in, giving me your time. If anybody likes the cricket, the CPL League is on at the moment in Caribbean Premier League. It's playing right now. They got international players, so it's pretty interesting. It's not, yeah. So I'll have that in the background. I'm going to get out and do my thing, work on the chook house, new chook house I'm building, and study later. 420 said I was about to go out and have one. Very good. That's the way. Well, I hope you enjoy it in your lovely weather. Just before sunset. Sunset's a few hours, isn't it? In your neck of the woods. Oh, good evening. Oh, good evening, Genetic Memory Farms. I was just saying my bye-byes, and I was saying how good it is for short shows sometimes, because it means everybody's satisfied, and also that everybody can hold all their questions till next week. Yeah, he's just finishing making dinner. No worries, because there's a different time. I'm going to hold this time frame for the month. So it's, yeah, it's nothing to do with you. I changed the time again, but I'm holding this time frame, started 11 minutes ago for the whole month, and seeing how that goes, just to see if I can get some more interactions. Because, yeah, that's what is really enjoyable, is when we bounce back off each other and all that sort of stuff. So we can do that next week. Just finishing making dinner. It'd be a healthy one if it's coming out of your blooming kitchen. That's for sure. That industrial biotechnology is pretty good. From different food science things comes up. Time to relax with my friend Ozzy. Oh, sorry, mate. You can have. I'm leaving this invite guest. How do you do that? You're welcome to come on and say, and we can have a chat, quick chat afterwards. But I'm going to go down to the. I'm going to have to work on the chook house. What do you say? Garden tomatoes, chives, and basil from the garden on a fresh dough is Genetic Memory Farms' meal. Wow. Nothing but health from that place. Yum. Sounds pretty good. Well, everybody for listening, thank you for listening. I can't say press the thumbs up because not much happened today, but save all your thoughts till next week, and invite, if you want to help me, try it and invite more people so we can have more interactions. So that's pretty good, and that will help me lots, because I know everyone's poor. I don't expect money. Hell no. Just more people interaction would be fun, so we can have a good stream. Genetic Memory Farms says, no worries, enjoy. Be safe, brother. You too, mate. And everybody else who watched this back, thank you. There's a few watching now. I just don't know what to talk about, so, and I was wrapping it up a few minutes ago, so I might as well stay with that. We're going to have a long show next week. So I hope to see you all next week. So happy breeding, happy growing, good health to you all. Thank you again. Bye-bye.